Hi, I'm Katie, and today we're going to show you some troubleshooting tips for your mini blinds. You will need the following for this job: safety glasses and a replacement operator if needed. For your safety, you should always wear approved safety glasses when working on any project. If blinds are uneven, raising and lowering them several times can usually correct the issue. If you are experiencing issues raising the mini blinds, you may need to realign the track magnet. To do this, slide the operator along the entire length of the track. You will hear a click when the magnet realigns. To test the magnet has realigned, lower the operator to the bottom of the track and slowly raise it. The mini blind should operate normally. If this does not correct the issue, please contact our customer support for further assistance. If the operator becomes disengaged from the track, it may need to be replaced or reinstalled. Inspect the operator to be sure it is free from any damage. If you need a new operator, please contact your local Therma-Tru dealer. To reinstall the operator, place the outer edge in the track. Keep the handle at an angle. Then, rotate the handle toward the glass to lock the handle in the track. To test that the magnet is aligned, lower the operator to the bottom of the track and slowly raise it. The mini blind should operate normally. If this does not correct the issue, please contact our customer support for further assistance. We have now successfully demonstrated some troubleshooting tips for your mini blinds. If you have any further questions, contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, or our website at www.thermatru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.